Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Snipping tool and choosing a shape. Rectangular is simplest. Position your initial capture at the top of the content you want to grab. This anchors the selection. Once done, keep the window you'll scroll in as the active application so scroll events target it. Make sure your mouse or touchpad is responsive. If using a tablet, use the on-screen scroll gesture. This first step gets you ready to combine capture and scrolling into one continuous workflow. You now perform the core action. Start the snip and scroll. After initiating the capture, scroll the content slowly with your mouse wheel or two-finger touchpad gesture so the tool continues to select new areas. If you need to enlarge the area, hold and drag the selection edge while scrolling to include more content. This overlays continuous capture. Once you know your scrolling speed, practice one smooth run. Slow is steady and avoids mislines. If the tool has a scrolling capture feature, use it for best results. You finish by releasing the mouse or touch to finalize the snip, then save the image as PNG or PDF so text remains readable. If parts are missing, repeat the process with slower, smaller scrolls or take overlapping captures and stitch them. Make sure the target app stays focused. Background notifications or gesture settings can cancel selection. One quick troubleshooting tip: if scrolling stops the snip, disable touchpad three-finger gestures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.